Hello everyone, Volcolution here again with already episode 10 of our Endless Runner. Today we are gonna add our first custom character. It's in my case Christopher. We're gonna add it. It's a MetaHuman, so we are actually gonna create our own character. We're gonna import it in Unreal Engine, and we are be able to play with it. And before we're gonna do all that, we're gonna fix a bug one of our YouTubers found, and we're gonna dive into it right now. So first of all, I got a reaction on YouTube from one of the watchers on YouTube that when you have the slide function and you hit it just before you have the jump obstacle, that you slide through the obstacle. So we're gonna show that really quick, and after that we're gonna fix it. So we are running, we're sliding under it, and here if you slide directly under it, you see we are passing through. And that's something that's not supposed to happen, so we're gonna quick fix it. We're gonna exit, go to the content browser, to content, to game, blueprints, and then the obstacles, this one. And we have the hit detector, the one we created here. And I make a stupid mistake. I have it as a hit detector, but we don't need to be a hit detector. Yeah, it's called a hit detector, but we need to be on begin overlap. This one we need. And we're gonna delete this one, connect this one here, and the other actor to object. And also we select the hit detector, so the box. And we can, instead of destructible, we make it overlap all dynamic. Compile and save. We press the cross button, we close the tab. We go really quick to our obstacles to be sure that the hit detector here is also on overlap all dynamic. That one is true. And now the second one, the jumper obstacle, hit detector, overlap all dynamic, so it should be good right now. We're gonna check it again really quick. And as we slide under the obstacle right now, we're sliding under it the way it should. And here now, as you can see, we are not able to slide through it anymore. So that's basically our first fix. Now let's go on to the second one. The first thing I want you guys to do is go to unrealengine.com. And that will be this website, or unrealengine.com, sorry, metahuman.unrealengine.com. I will also link it in the description. Once you have loaded it, it's possibly asking you to log in. If it is, log in with your Unreal Engine account or your Epic Launcher account, the one you want to call it. Make sure you select here the engine we are using. On this tutorial we are using Unreal Engine 5.5, so I select that one. And we click Launch MetaHuman Creator. It will take a while, and after that we will be able to create our character. So I will be back in a few seconds. So once it's loaded, we are here in this screen, and we can basically select our pre-selected character. So you have all the persons here, I wanted to say, and you can select one, and from there you can edit that one. So let's click one. I think I click I will click Christopher. Just that one is here, and takes a while for me to load since I'm also recording everything, so it will be a lot faster on your PC probably. And here we have him. We have selected it. And now we're gonna create selected. And in here we can basically do everything. So blend, we can make something like a heritage. So if you select other characters here, like we select Amelia, we put it here. And if I'm correct, we need to do 3 ones, okay. And now you have more like points. Now you see a bit the body change. You can edit how the eyes will be, everything here, the forehead. You can change basically everything you want. So it's really diverse. You can change the skin color, if it's freckles, accents. You can change the eyes, teeth, of course, how you want it. It's you can basically change everything of your character you want. Yeah, for me it's not necessary because most of the time you're watching the back of our character. So for me that's more like pointless to do right now. But maybe if you make something like cinematics or things like that, then yeah, then it will be nice to have the front of the person as well. But you can basically change everything here. Proportions, how big it should be. You can change some clothing. Let's click some clothing here. Bottoms, let's make it jeans. Yeah, that's better. Shoes. Well, we have a runner, so it should be nice with these shoes. You can also take these ones. But since we're a runner right now, I click this one. And yeah, I think that's a good one. Right here we click, and this is gonna be our character's name. I think I keep it with Christopher since it's already there, and I'm in that way not so good with names and anything at all. But it's also good for you guys to know. This is the name that the blueprint also will be. So when you import the character, it will be a blueprint named Christopher. So I will refer in our tutorial to blueprint character. Then it's in my case blueprint Christopher. I will say blueprint Christopher, but it will be the name of your character, so the one you call it. But I refer to it as Christopher for now. So yeah, that's everything. It's having everything we need already. So yeah, we're gonna save it really quick. I need to find out where we did it again. Like this. Oh, all changes are saved already. Okay, my MetaHumans. And after you clicked on my MetaHumans, you see I already have two of them. That's the two I created earlier for setting up this tutorial. For now we have only Christopher in our new game. So this is our new character. So yeah, that's it. We have our character. Now we're gonna add it in our game. So we can close everything here. That's what we're gonna do. And we can close Unreal Engine and everything, and we go to the Unreal Epic Games Launcher, and also be sure to go to the FAP website. So right now I do it really quick, like so. And if you're on the FAP website, search for the MetaHuman, and then it will be the MetaHuman plugin. So this one. Make sure you add it in your library. As soon as you have it, you go to your Epic launcher, App Library. You can press this button to refresh the things you just added at your library. For me, it's not necessary since I already got it in here. And after that, in the search bar, type in MetaHuman or Meta plugin. Click on Install to Engine. Select your engine number. As you can see, I cannot install it in 5.5. It's already there in my case. It can be, I'm not sure, that it's already standard on 5.5, but I'm not sure anymore. So click on install, and then if it's not selectable, it's already there. So after you did that, we are gonna exit everything here, or not everything here. We start up the project, sorry. And here we already started up my project. So in our project, we go to content drawer, and then you have, oh no, not content drawer, sorry. We go here, up here, the quickly add to project, we click it, and then we go to Quixel Bridge, and it's gonna say, hey, it's new and you need to use the Fab Store, but for this we don't need the Fab Store, we actually need the MetaHumans you see here. So we click X. If you're not logged in yet, click here and sign in, like I'm doing right now. And after you're logged in, you press X on this small window, you go to MetaHumans, and you see presets. This is everything like the preset, the standard ones that come with Unreal Engine MetaHuman, but we want our own, so we click My MetaHumans. And if you have already created MetaHumans before, you can get this as well, and then you need to go to back to the MetaHuman website and update them from legacy to current. So yeah, we are gonna add Christopher. This one, we click it. And for me, I click low, since I'm busy with showing you guys and everything. So I click low, but you can use whatever one you like. I click low, and after that you click on download. And as you can see, it takes a while to download. So I will be back when it's fully downloaded. So after you've downloaded it, the MetaHuman, you click it again, and you press add. And then it gets added to your content browser. So you click content browser, you go to the content folder, and here's your new folder, MetaHumans. You open it, and now here's what I say. It's the name of your character. So in my case it's Christopher, yours will be the name of the character you gave it. So we open it, and then you have here blueprint and then the name of your character, in my case Christopher again. You click it to open it, and I already have probably all the plugins that needed. Oh no, you can see here you get plugins we need. We let everything load up, so it's completely finished. You can see here also now I have it here, but we are missing the plugins. So what we're gonna do is enable missing, and enable missing. It can be that you have 3 missing or more. Just enable them all, and then click on restart now, and after that the whole thing will go back up. So I pause the video, restart it, and then we go back to this screen. So as soon as everything is loaded up again, we go back to our content browser, and probably already in the folder. So if not, you go to content, MetaHumans, and then the name of your character, in my case Christopher again. We open it up again, and I hope I don't have the bug that I'm always having, since sometimes this is not working what I'm doing, and then I need to delete the character and re-import it. I don't know, it's sometimes buggy. I mean. So we opened our character. We go to class settings here, and then here in the class options, if you don't have it, window and then details. But in the class options on the parent class, we click it, and we want the parent to be our BP underscore runner character. The reason why I want that is because I want this character to behave like our runner character. As you can see, we are also importing it. What we're gonna do now, here you have the root. The root is everything of our character, of our new Christopher. And we click the root and drag it onto the mesh. So the mesh will become parent of the root here as well. Okay, after that, make sure you have root still selected. Bring this one to 0, so it's in the right position. And then here you have live retarget, click it. And use live retarget mode, click it. And here use live retarget mode, click it again. So, then we click on the mesh, here. And then here we search for visibility, like this. And here you have visibility based anim tick option. And then we click always tick pose and refresh bones, like this. And then the visibility here, we check it like this, and we compile and save. And I have the bug. I have the bug, it's sad. Yeah, what I was saying, sometimes it's not working the way it should be working. So I will be back in a few seconds. So as you can see right now, I did it again, re-imported Christopher again. So I go back to bridge and then add it again to the game. But before that I had to delete everything again. For some reason, sometimes it's not working. It can also be that when I close this project now and I reopen it again, that I have the same bug again. And then you need to delete it again. It's some kind of strange bug and I don't know how to fix it. But we are able to fix it, so that's also why we are almost not doing anything here in the event graph. But for now we have it now working. Visibility based on anim ticks will be refresh bones, and then visible, remember, of the mesh, visible, and then tick it off. So we have only Christopher or Christoph. We compile and wait for a second. Yes, and save. And also go to the event graph, because we do need to do something. Otherwise our character is not responding on the event begin play. Right click on the event begin play and select add call parent function. this one and connect it like this. Do the same with the other two. So this one. Otherwise our stuff like so come on, input and our death function and everything, they will not work. Event tick the same, like this. Compile and save. Let's check the viewport really quick. Yes. Now we go to content browser, to content, 0 game, blueprints, and then BP runner game mode. And then here in the details folder, the details panel, we go to default pawn class. It's now BP runner, but we want it to be BP Christopher. Okay, compile and save. Then we go now to our game and we press play. And now you can see our character is sliding, is able to go under. We are able to jump. We are able to switch, jump and fly away. But we are able to switch, slide, jump. We can go under the obstacles and we can go over them. So that's good. You can see if you watch really close my face, my beard is doing wrong, but that's something we will fix in a later video. So yeah, it's really simple. I wanted to make also the store working already, but it's more than that in one video, so that will be a really long one. So yeah, basically what I want to ask you guys is to make another character, maybe 2 more characters, so that we have something to put in our store in the next video. So basically watch this tutorial and create another character and add it to your project too, and then it will be all working really soon when we go into the next chapter. But now I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Feel free to join my Discord, leave a like, hit subscribe, or put something in the description. Yeah, again, see you in the next video. Bye bye.